Here's why all the manifestation methods you're trying are not doing crap for you, boo. Let's chat. Whether you try the 369 method, the 55-5 method, the whisper method, the letter under the pillow, or even affirmations, they're cute little methods to play with that don't even scratch the surface of the work that needs to happen at a subconscious level for you to actually start manifesting what you want. Many years ago, I was diagnosed with acne rosacea. My skin was always red. I had pimples all over, and I tried everything that I could. Spent tons of money, and nothing worked. I had someone diagnose me and said, "I'm sorry, babe, it's a condition. It's never gonna go away. It's something you have to just manage." And I allowed that to seep into my belief system. It wasn't until I did the actual deep subconscious healing and reprogramming work that I teach in my programs that I started to actually see results. If you take a look at my skin now, there's actually no trace of acne rosacea. And I'm not even wearing makeup, just sunscreen and a little tint in it. These practices that I teach to reprogram your subconscious, to do the deep inner healing work required to release the limiting beliefs and the misconceptions that were created due to painful life situations that you've experienced, work the same exact way for healing something as they do for manifesting an ex, as they do for manifesting more money. Everything is energy. Clients have applied them over and over again to manifest an ex-back, to manifest a new special person, a succulent, delicious soulmate relationship, to manifest a healing, to manifest promotions, and you can do exactly the same thing. I am going to be hosting a free live event next week to share with you some of these practices. Babe, you can learn to shift this.